Hi, this is Scoggett. This is second part to my Aloha Pepper Meatball Sub My Way video, and I'll go ahead and explain what I did, and I'll tell you how to go about fixing these. Okay, what I got over here is I have my meatballs, and what I did, I put a little olive oil in the pan, kind of browned them up just a bit because I like a little crunch to them. And I'm going to put the marinara sauce in this, and we're going to cover it and let it cook for 10 minutes on a low simmer. And what I did to my Aloha peppers is I took the Aloha pepper and I cut them in half, went ahead and cleaned the insides out, put a little drizzle of olive oil, a little salt, a little pepper on it, on this one, and then I did the same to the bigger one. As you can see, they're a little bit bigger. This is what's going to hold the meatballs. And I went ahead and put a slice of mozzarella cheese. And this is going to go into the oven. This is going to go into the oven at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, they'll be ready. Bring them out, and they'll be perfect. Now what I'm going to do is just add my marinara sauce to my meatballs and get this cooking. And this will cook for 10 minutes also. See if I can do this without splashing it and making a mess here. I think I did. Just want to give this a little toss in here with the meatballs. It's marinara sauce. And this marinara sauce, I tell you what, it's really good. Going to put the lid on this and let this cook, like I say, for 10 minutes at a very low simmer. What I want to do is heat up the marinara sauce. And in the meantime, what I'm going to do is put these Aloha peppers in the 350 degree oven for 10 minutes. And that's it. I mean, that's just, it's simple to do. And this, if you never had this, really need to give it a try. I have the third and final video coming up. It would show the plating up. I'll show you how I plate these up, and what I add a little extras to them. And I'll have the third video coming up. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there, and y'all take care.